Okay, today for lunch we're making, we call it pigs in a blanket. We have hot dogs, and to make it simple, I just bought pizza crust. And now it's up to Simon and Stanley to make it look like that.
Whoa.
Go for it, boys. Roll it at an angle. Okay, yeah, you could do it that way, Stanley. When you get it made the way you want it, you put it on the pan.
I'm twisting it up like that, and I think I will put some ketchup on it later. Flatten it, and flatten it.
Yep, flatten it.
Until it looks like that.
And then go ahead, put it on the pan.
There, done. I'm done.
Go ahead, put it on the pan.
2 sides.
You got another one to do.
Sonny, we only get 2, remember? We only get to do 2. Ooh, I got some more on me. That's how I like it. Stanley, remember, Stanley, we get only to do 2. We only get to 2.
I'll take the last one.
Yeah.
Yep. I'll take that bag.
I'm twisting it up. It will just go by just when I'm done. Patty burger. Patty. This is what my pick it in the blanket will do. Yeah. Is that yours or mine?
Mine's a big one.
Yuck.
Don't worry, I'll keep them all separated.
These 2 are mine. And that's my...
That's mine.
Okay, so... Bumper and me have 2 and Celia.
Yeah, each of you get 2.
Grandpa, can we do some more?
Nope, that's it.
Ooh, can I have a piece of my hot dog? Yeah, and you're done.
Hey.
Stanley.
You can't pull it off because now you're gonna have a big glob mess.
And now you're just gonna burn it.
I won't.
Do you need help?
Stanley, you got to get it done.
Hurry up. Oh, you're trying to
You
make...
can't keep redoing it.
Are you trying to make a pancake? Stanley wants to make a pancake. How about we put it in with no hot dog?
No,
Why?
Because then the dome will burn.
because then it wouldn't be a pig in a blanket.
We don't want to have a pig in a blanket.
I wouldn't have.
You're having pigs in a blanket for lunch.
I want to have tiny pigs in a blanket.
Keep it up. We'll make you eat the oink.
What oink?
Pig's oink.
Okay, I want to do that. Stanley, turn that into sunny side.
Hey, there's a.
The more you play with it, the more it's going to stick to your hand.
Because
You got to learn to get the job done and go on. Simon, leave him alone.
Okay, I just had to cover the hot dog up.
I.
Well, Sally's the first one you did. It kind of looks silly.
You're going to get fired really soon.
Stanley, hurry
You
up!
are going to get fired really soon because this is now your 3rd time redoing it.
Hurry! That's silly. That's a silly dog. That's a silly pig in a blanket.
Put it on the pan.
Dang-a-lay. How do you like our stuff?
Okay, leave it alone.
It,
Now we bake it in the oven at 425 degrees for about 10 minutes.
the staff started meeting.
And that's what they look like when they are done.
But my brother's kind of silly.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong. Those are called open face.
Yeah, but mine are called closed face.
Yep. Now we're just letting them cool. Then we're having lunch.
Not hot anymore of mine.
Oh, yes it is.
No, it's not.